Namaskaram. Today we are going to look at one of the famous mathematical number, pi. The infinite series of pi was actually determined in the 14th century AD by Madhava of Sangamagrama. Is there a possible way for the value of pi to be determined in India before the 14th century AD? Let's explore it in today's blog. If we carefully look at Indian culture and heritage, we find extensive use of circles and squares in various fields, be it the yantras that have been done, or the architecture, in which temples like the Sarangabani temple in Kumbakonam or the Konark temple in Odisha, where the temple itself is built in the form of a chariot and we need the circles to be made of specific dimensions, or be the basic form of Aradhana. In India, there are two basic forms of Aradhana. One is called the Vediga Aradhana Kramam, the other one is called the Pauraniga Aradhana Kramam. The Vediga Aradhana Kramam is one in which sacrifices are made to Agni or fire of specific dravyams. Dravyams could be havis, which is nothing but the rice, or ghee, etc., that are offered with the specific Ishvara Nama or Vedic mantras, the specific work called Swaha. All type of homa and yajnam come under this category. It could be the basic Ganapati homam, or Navagraha homam, or Mrityunjaya homam, or Putragamishti yagam, etc. All homams and yajna come under this category. The Vediga Aradhana Kramam was very unique in India, and parallels could be found in the ancient traditions of Africa and South America. The other form being the Pauraniga Aradhana Kramam, in which a Vigraha or Murti of God is placed and prayers, flowers, fruits are offered to the god along with chanting of the god's name with a specific word called Nama. Our topic of interest is the Vediga Aradhana Kramam. As we saw earlier, this Vediga Aradhana Kramam used to have mostly Homa and Yajna. This Homa or Yajna is performed on a specific altar or place called the Homa Kundam. This Homa Kundam will mostly be in the form of circle or square. With the extensive use of circular and square homokundams, which are supposed to be of specific dimensions, the temple architectures where chariots and wheels were constructed, which should also be of specific dimensions, yantras should also be of specific dimensions, is there a possibility that people would explore the radius, circumference and diameter of a circle? Why this has to be linked? Because the value of pi is directly related to the circumference and diameter of a circle. This will take us to ARYABHATA. ARYABHATA 1 wrote a book called ARYABHATEEYA in 499 AD, in which he says, Chathuradhikam, sathatmashtagunam, dvaashashtisthathaa, sahasraanaam, ayuthad, vishkambasyaasannoo, vruthhaparinaaha. What does that mean? Chathuradhikam satam. Sadam means 100. Chathuradhikam, add 4 to 100. Multiply by 8 and add 62,000. This would give the approximate value of the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 20,000 units. If you add all these values and substitute in the formula that is given above and behind me, you will get 3.1416, which is the value of pi exact to 4 decimal points. So look at how ARYABHATA in 499 AD has approximated the value of pi to 4 decimal points to accurate value that is verified even today. Hope you learned something new today. Kindly follow this blog continuously. We will keep in touch on the next blog series. Thank you.